Welcome back. In this tutorial we will see how to upload the assessments which we have created for the students, right? So in this, what you have to do is first you have to log in to your account. So I'm logging into my account here. This is my account and I am logging into my account. Now once I log in, what the teachers can see, this is the teachers dashboard. The teachers can see score, lectures and class details, right? So here I will go to my course section, and in the course section I can see the assessments tab over here, the curriculum. When I'm uploading my curriculum or my classes, then I will go through this curriculum tab, the content tab. And now once I upload all those things, when I'm ready to go for the assessment, so what I will do, I will create an assessment in Google form or in any other format, and to upload that what I have to do is I will go to click on assessment section, right? So now click on assessment section. Once you click on assessment section, you can see here earlier I've created one assignment or one assessment which I've already uploaded. Now I will show you how to create a new assessment from the scratch. So after reaching at this point, what you have to do is you have to create a new assessment, right? So click on new assessment. Once you click on new assessment, you will get all the details over here. What is the name of the assessment? Suppose you are taking assessment for chapter 1 or section 2 or chapter 1 section 3, like this. So you have to give that proper name over here. Suppose my assessment is on introduction to computers or introduction to maths or introduction to anything, right? So what I will do is I will write the assessment name for reference, right? Intro to computers. Now open date. Suppose I want to conduct this assessment on particular day. So today is suppose 9th, and I want to conduct it on 10th, right? So what I will do, I'll give the date 10/8/2020. At what time? At around 11 o'clock, 11 AM, and my closing date is same day, 10/8/2020. And the time is, suppose this is for the test is for 1 hour, so 12 noon. Then the duration is 1 hour. After 1 hour, the assessment will deactivated, right? So the maximum marks for this is, suppose I'm giving it for 25 marks or 30 marks, so I have to give the marks score here 30. Suppose I've given 30. Now we have to create the assessment. So here the assessment is created. Click on OK. The assessment is created. See, intro to computers, 30 marks. The timing I've given here, 1 hour. Now what I have to do is I have created that content, right? I have not given any link, my assessment link. The assessment which I've created in using Google form, right? Assessment form. So where I will find that form? That form is in my Google Drive. So what I will do, first I will go to content. Here I will upload that assessment part, right? Click on content. Now you can see add text, add file, add Google link, right? So here I will go and I will attach the Google link, the assessment Google form link, right? So what I will do, I will click here. The moment I click here, I can see the title and Google link, right? So I will go to my drive, my Google Drive, which I already opened up here. Suppose I want to give this assessment to my students, right? Quiz 8th day, right? Suppose I've created this. I'm opening the quiz by double clicking it, and the form is opened. So once the form is opened, what I will do, I will go and click on send option, send button, right? The next step is click on send button. Once I'm clicking on send button, you can see the link icon over here. Click on that link icon. You will get the link of this document over here. Now click on shorten URL. Once you shorten the URL, then you can copy the thing, right? Now copy the link, come back to your web portal, and there you paste the link. Now you give the title for the assessment, intro to computers. Create assignment. Now the assignment is created. Now you can see when we publish this assignment, the students, what they will do, they will just click on this view button and they will go for the answer, right? I'm clicking on the view button and I'll show you the assignment will open on your screen. This is the quiz. quiz, right? The students will appear to, the students will answer, the students will submit the test, then you will be getting the assignment submission to your email, through your email, right? So this is the way we will assign the Google Forms, or through the link. First you will access your form, then you'll get to the link, get the link and shorten the link, then paste that link in your content part, right? I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching.